So our last shop review here for the day is going to be for Crystal Shop, and she's got Orgonite Evolution, art that empowers your life, out of San Diego, California. Now, I do kind of find it funny, Crystal, that you sell crystals and your name is Crystal. So what a coincidence! It's like you were destined in life to be selling these crystals here. So let's check them out. We've got this Reiki Healing Pyramid. Reiki Healing Pyramid, spiritual decor, positive energy, orgone, EMF protection, Orgonite meditation, pyramid, spiritual vibes, and good energy. Very pretty. Now let's see here. Now, I think unfortunately your photos just aren't quite, they're a little bit blurry, unfortunately. And I actually bought something just like this. I'm at my home office today, so usually I have this little crystal on my desk that looks just like it. But I think I bought something just like this. It was a really pretty little crystal. It's not as big as this one. Mine was smaller. This one is huge. This one looks a lot bigger. Really, really cool. But I think when I remember looking at it, it just was so cool. I saw it on Etsy and it was just like, man, that thing looks really neat. And it looks like yours is like the same kind of production. It looks really similar, but yours I think is much taller and cooler looking. But I think your photos should be nice and close. And I like that you've got these photos here in the landscape. You've got some grass, you've got some plants and stuff going on behind them. But I would really recommend getting a photo close up on this pyramid and really showing all the different details. And let's see if I can find, I wonder if I could find the one I bought. We got pyramid, Reiki Healing Pyramid Spiritual Decor. So let's check that keyword out. Let's see what we get there. Because I do think that keyword is probably 423 results. We got a lot of different things out here, similar ones here. This is the one I bought, not this exact one. But do you see what I'm talking about here, Mike? They got this photo really clear, and they got this little planet-looking thing like hovering. It's like, wow, it really stands out, and I can see each of the layers really, really, really clearly. And that's kind of what got me as I was looking at this thing, and I was just like, wow, that is just like incredible looking. And I think I bought this one right here. So yeah, I don't know. They have so many of them, but they're kind of similar. But you can see their layers are super clear. And I don't know if they've got some like really bright lighting on these that really makes it stand out. But I think yours would be better. Your photos would just be, more appealing as if you could get a nice close up and really show off the details. Because I think yours are special and they're really big too. They look a lot bigger than the one I got, which is cool. And so let's look at this right here. These keywords right here, not really a keyword. This is more of like a description. So this lovely Orgonite pyramid with watermelon, tourmaline, turquoise, rose quartz, orgone, good energy, life force. So on this one, you don't have the right keywords in your listing title. You want this listing title to be exclusively keywords. And this is more of like you talking to the person, telling them what your product is all about. So I would recommend, let's look up crystal. Let's see, crystal pyramid. Crystal pyramid. Let's see if that finds it. That's how I would search it. There we go. That's a great keyword right there. 21,000 results, crystal pyramid, and you can see there's a lot of products similar to yours. So it's the right keyword for your product. I would go with something like that. So I would go with crystal pyramid, and then I would start listing out some of the other ones. Rose quartz, pyramid, because I think that's what makes yours so special. That's what it really is all about. It's all about, this is being a pyramid. And then go ahead and try and find some other keywords in it. Let's look at this one right here. Orgonite pendant of colorful tourmaline. The orgonite metals are silver and aluminum. Crystal's good, orgone energy. So again, on this one, shortening it and just, I always say make the keywords punchy. You know, so for something like this, I would probably do, you know, you don't want like word like an of, that's not really a, I would do orgonite pendant. I would do tourmaline pendant. Then you could even try some of the other ones. Good, you try another one like good energy necklace, silver, aluminum pendant, and just make it more punchy. Then we can try the other one, orgone energy pendant. So you start to understand a little bit how you can make it, you know, a little bit more punchy. And Christina has a good one, meditation energy crystals. There we go. That's a great keyword you could use as well. Is there such a thing as too many search results? That's a great question. And yes, there is. I like to aim in the area of like 5 to 25,000. So let's search some of these and we'll kind of try and give you some suggestions. So like orgonite pendant, 8,699. That's perfect. That's a perfect number of search results. Okay. Let's try this one, tourmaline. If I'm saying that right, let's check that one out here. And 41,000. So that's on the bigger side. Spiritual gifts, 162,000. So that is kind of too big, but you have so much space. Like you could even, let's look up at the character counter tool again, guys. And let's see, you've got 140 characters. We put that in. So this one, you do have really long ones. If I use all of these, you're kind of out of space. But spiritual gifts, I wouldn't put spiritual gifts as my 1 or 2 keyword, but you could put it back here. You can make it a number 5 keyword, you know, spiritual gifts, and so on. So even a big keyword like 160,000, like I use the keyword all the time, nursery wall decals, and it's really big. I mean, it's got like 189,000, but I don't normally make it my first keyword. I'll make it the 3rd, 4th, or 5th keyword. So if you want to use some big keywords like that, you totally can. I would just normally recommend making it your 5th, 6th, or something keyword, but pack those keywords in there. There's so many opportunities for you to pack in your keywords when you fitted them in there.